Here we have a 2022 BMW M135i with xDrive. Now, this vehicle has over £3,000 worth of optional extras, which you can read about in the advert below. Starting off, we've got the black sapphire metallic paintwork, and how fantastic does it look, all stealthed out. At the front, you've got your LED lights, black front grille, you've got the blacked out front splitter, the bottom just there as well. Coming around to this corner, we've got the 19-inch gloss black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition, with the M Sports brakes just behind. We've also got the M Sports suspension, as well as the M135i Pro kit on this vehicle. At the side, you'll see we've got the side skirts, again, blacked out, black trim around the windows. We've got the tinted windows at the back, shark fin antenna on top. Got the spoiler lip just there as well. Making our way around to the rear, you've got the rear diffuser just there with the exhaust on either side, giving it that aggressive look. xDrive badging on the left, M135i badging on the right. Now we can have a look at the rear space. Plenty of storage space in here. We've got handy storage hooks for putting things tied down. We've got a storage net on the right. You can also fold down these rear seats with the levers just there as well. Closing that up, as we make our way around the entirety of the car, you can see that it is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Now let's go have a look at that interior. Starting at the rear, we have got the M Sport seats with a two-tone fabric interior, and how great does it look in here. You may have noticed we've got the ambient lighting across there. We'll show you more of that when we get to the front. We've also got the M Sport seat belts, and how great do those look. On the doors, we've got the blue stitching to match the blue calipers on the outside. Again, more of our ambient lighting, electric windows as well. Going on to the front now, these seats look even better. Again, the M Sport seats with the two-tone black and blue. More blue stitching on the doors here. We've also got the Harman Kardon premium sound system, which is an expensive optional extra on these. Power folding electric wing mirrors, electric window control. On the side here, you've got your auto lights, auto wipers, auto high beam assist. And now let's take a seat inside. Worth noting, both front seats are also heated. Now on the steering wheel, I'll just start the vehicle up. So start, stop, just there. First things first, on the steering wheel, you've got your speed limiter, cruise control, and paddle shifters for taking manual control of gears should you want to. Digital dash just ahead, no warning lights other than that we've got low fuel and we need to refuel at some point soon, so nothing to worry about there. Coming into the middle, you've got your fantastic display here. At the moment, you've got your navigation, but we've then got controls down here for making changes to that. So if we go through the different options, first off, media, scroll to the left, get your radio, news, Spotify, Bluetooth audio, mobile devices. And on the topic of mobile devices, if we go back onto home, down to apps, you'll see we've got Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Worth noting, this is also touchscreen as well. But again, fantastic features to have just there. We've also got your contacts and telephone settings. Back onto home, if we go down to car, settings, and then across to interior lighting, you'll see the ambient lighting. So there's an idea of what it looked like at night time. It really does look fantastic. Of course, we've got it in purple at the moment, but you've got a good list of colours you can choose between. Now, if we go back to the main menu, put the vehicle into reverse, you'll see we've got front and rear parking sensors with a visual display. Again, fantastic feature to have. And then we've also even got the intelligent safety just there as well, which we can configure here, turn off individual, however you want to do it. Coming down, you've got your dual zone climate controls, heated seats for both front passengers, and then some physical controls for the stereo system as well. Coming down, you've got some more storage, a bit more of an ambient lighting, USB supply, 12-volt power, 2 cup holders. Of course, you've got your touchpad, control wheel, and physical buttons again for controlling the infotainment screen. You've then got your gear selector, so classic, reverse, neutral, drive, put it across to manual/sport. You can go up or down gears like so as well. You've then got your traction control, parking sensors, or it's auto start stop, engine start and stop, of course, as well as your driving mode. So you've got sport, comfort, and eco pro. and your electronic handbrake. In the center, you've got the armrest, which can be lifted up, and you'll find a USB-C port in there as well. Now the vehicle is ready to drive away today with next day nationwide delivery, fresh service, and a fresh MOT. For more information, check out the test drive coming up, or check out our advert, or get in touch today. Thanks for watching.
Video test drive of this BMW M135i. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle drives as you expect it to. As you can see, I'm not to fire the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left or to the right hand side. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and speedometer buttons on the left, along with the phone connectivity and the volume buttons on the right. Digital dashboard as well in front of us, which is showing different displays. Now we are just at a junction, so slowing down, right indicator on to make sure there's no cars coming. There's one that's going. So it's safe to turn right now. We're going to continue on our way, get up to speed nice and smoothly with the automatic gearbox. You'll also find paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you wanted to stick the car into manual mode. Now if you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any unwanted knocks or bangs. We do also have plenty more features from the interior. Got the cloth seats, for example, which are really comfortable. Both front seats are also heated, which is perfect for them at cold winter mornings. We do have the ambient light, which runs across the doors and also across the dash, which is really nice at night time. Main infotainment screen here in the centre. It's currently showing the sat nav. Again, plenty of features on there, you'll see on the photos. We do also have the intelligent safety, which makes it a very safe vehicle to drive. Now again, right indicator on. Slow down, make sure it's safe to turn right, so there's no cars coming, so turning right, and then again continuing on our way, get up to speed, start to accelerate, going through the gears with no issues. You'll also find we do have the different drive modes. We've got the buttons down here so you can easily switch through the drive modes while driving. And we are approaching the dealership. We're going to take it nice and steady as we come around this bend, and then left indicator on, slow down, turning left onto the dealership, and I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2 and 1. Hold on to the brakes, into reverse, parking sensors appear on the screen, and then back into drive again with no issues whatsoever. Now if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all and answer questions along with an instrument price review. That's all from me today though. Cheers.